Hello, my name is Ankit from Mall Violet. So today I will dealing with the black fungus threat that we are currently seeing in West Bengal and many parts of the continent as well as in the entire globe. So what is black fungus? It's basically Mucormycetes family fungus, mold rather, which was a problem way before we have identified it. It has been a threat since the beginning of our understanding of fungus and molds. So why we are so concerned right now, or why we are concerned at the present moment when we are already dealing with COVID-19? So we have to understand this mucormycosis, the fungus that I am talking about, or this disease I am talking about rather. This problem arises only when you are very much weak in your health. Your immune system is very weak, and that can happen because of majority of reasons, like if you have cancer, for example, if you have HIV/AIDS, for example, or if you are dealing with coronavirus or COVID-19, the current pandemic that is going on and is causing so much disruption in the world. So if you are facing or you have just recovered from this kind of diseases, then there is a chance that you will get mucormycosis as your next threat. Now why is it so? Because when your body is dealing with one kind of infection, it focuses all of its resources and everything towards that infection only, as we can see immunological cells, the B cells, the T cells, and different kind of attacking cells, cytokine type of cell, TC cell, and all those. So I'm just talking in a very layman's perspective right now. Those cells try to attack the first priority infection that has occurred. While dealing with that, it also, like what to say, ignores many of the threat that can come into it, and that is the case with mucormycosis. Now, why is it a problem? Why people are getting mucormycosis? Is it because of some particular food they are eating, or is it because of some particular area they are visiting? It's not like that. Mucormycosis, the spores of mucormycosis and many other molds is already filled in the atmosphere, and you have no chance to avoid that except if you are wearing very fine meshed mask or something like that. Otherwise, it's not possible. So that's why it's a problem. Now, what is the strategy? The strategy of mucormycosis or the fungal molds that I am talking about is to basically attack your systems, the organs, basically in this case lungs, and they grow over there. They use up your resources in the lungs and they try to occupy the lungs. And if they are trying to occupy the lungs, then your capacity to hold oxygen it decreases, and you can face a pseudo pneumonitic feature disease that can become complicated, and even if you may die for that. So these are the things that basically mucormycosis, a group of fungus, they withhold or they use. So what to do? Now this would be very much important to understand that we cannot do anything right now except for taking medications. If you are already immunologically weak, if you are facing some kind of symptoms where you are having like shortness of breath and something which is already related to COVID-19, but if you are having these symptoms, please get yourself tested. Chest x-ray would be a very good start, and other kind of treatments and testing things are already recommended by doctors. I am not going to talk about that. Those are already specialized by doctors, so I'm not going to jump on that part. But if you are having this, doctors usually recommend you several kind of medicines. All of those are kind of fluconazole or like avicimozole, this kind of medicines, along with amphotericin B. Like in present condition, I am living in Kolkata right now. So in Kolkata, the recommended treatment for this black fungus is amphotericin B. So, like, why is this thing means becoming so much hazardous right now? Because people are dealing with COVID-19. The status is, until now, as I know, the status is not that severe, but it may become severe. It might be announced an epidemic. So in those cases, we have to understand what kind of things we are dealing with, what kind of sanitation practices we should be making, and we should be very much careful about wearing masks. Even the masks, you have to properly wash them, and also you have to change them. You have to like use masks which can be washable, which can you can or you can throw them out, because fungal mold, they can also accumulate on those masks, and they can also grow if you are like sweating constantly as it happens in summer. So it can also provide them the nutrient media that they can use to grow on their masks. So you have to keep a very clean mask in your contact. Next, the explanation basically made this point to explain the whole thing, that what I am talking about, what kind of facets we are facing, what kind of issues we are dealing with regarding the COVID-19 as well as this black fungus thing. But I would just recommend you all that please do not panic. Black fungus is not going to affect, like, what to say, 80 or 90% of us. That's because many of us are already having strong immune system. But yes, if you are dealing with some kind of other infections, severe infections, or infections that are very much critical for you right now, then there is a chance of getting co-infected with black fungus or the mucormycosis. And in those cases, you have to understand that what kind of medications you should take, and that can be only consulted from doctors, not a YouTuber, not anyone else. You have to visit your doctor, you have to take advice from him, and you have to understand the strategy that he or she has given you. Because let's be clear, you're already dealing with some kind of infection, and that's the reason you are getting mucormycosis. So if you are getting into a store and having amphotericin B or some kind of fluconazole type of medicines, or aviciconazole type of medicines, if you take them without any prescription, without any recommendation, you might affect yourself more. You might make this fungus antibiotic resistant, or it may evolve the fungus. That's the severity we are facing right now. So if you don't want to stay at home after COVID-19 pandemic has ended, with mucormycosis as the next kind of pandemic, then please do not take unnecessary medicines without the recommendation of doctors. And also, doctors, please not take this into granted, that with any kind of medicines you are allowing, any kind of power you are using of the medicine, you have to understand the whole situation, and then you have to give. Otherwise, we may deal with the evolution of this fungus, and that may be very much detrimental for every one of us. So I will end my discussion over here. I have nothing much to say. So if you like my video, which I give like rarely nowadays, so please subscribe to my channel, stay updated with whatever I'm posting. And I only give things which are very much important. Other than that, I do not post anything as of now, because of some problems. So thank you very much. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time. I wish you are all